Hi everyone, my name is Alan Villa. I'm one of the co-founders here at Klipfolio, and today I wanted to show you this great new feature that we've just released called Multimetrics. So one of the challenges when you're visualizing your data often is that you have multiple different data sources that you need to visualize on a single chart. Now sometimes you can accomplish this by looking at rich data that you can then segment. But very often your data is actually quite separate, and bringing it onto a single chart is a bit of a challenge. So we've just published this new feature called Multimetrics, and I'll show you what that's all about. So you can see here in our example that we've got 3 different line charts, all part of a product trial funnel. So we've got our conversion rate from web to trial. We've got what we call true trial rate, which is almost like an MQL, a qualified trial. And then we also have our trial to win rate as well. And all of those work from different data sources. So let me duplicate this chart and show you how it's done. So we're going to go into add a new PowerMetric. And let's start with the web to trial conversion rate. So I'm going to add that one down here. Here we go. And you can see that it's added that single metric. This is what you were able to do before. But now what we're going to do is we're going to add those other 2 data sources, or those other 2 PowerMetrics, onto this chart as well. So again, let me go into the configuration panel. We're going to go over to data, and you can see that there's a plus button now. Let's click on that, and we're going to go down to our trial to win rate and the true trial rate. So we're going to click on that one, and you can multi-select here, and we're going to click on this one here as well. You can see in the background it's just added those as well. So now we have 3 different PowerMetrics all inside of one chart. We can of course rename this. We'll give it number 2. And the other thing that is consistent or remains the same, of course, with all PowerMetrics is that you can change your visualization type. Now with this, it makes most sense to visualize it as a line chart, but you could also go into a table, or if you wanted to see that by date or any other dimensionality, you could turn that into a pivot table as well. So again, all of this data is now available under the Data tab, and you can add and remove other PowerMetrics from a single visualization. Hope this helps. Hope you love it. And as always, let us know if you have any feedback. Thanks.